All right, it's time for another demo. In the last demo, we took a workflow that used VIX libraries to do some work to my local VMware workstation, and we deployed that to a commandlet. I'll show you that again real quick, and then I want to show you how to deploy multiple workflows into a single snap-in. So, first of all, I've already built this small, simple workflow, and to deploy this to a commandlet, all I have to do is hit the commandlet button. It's going to just-in-time compile this workflow, and it's going to ask me for a noun and a verb. And we'll say get foo. We'll build it. Very, very simple. Now I can call it get foo, and it'll run that workflow, which is going to get all the registered machines on my VMware workstation, which is just one. Great. Awesome. But now let's put multiple workflows into a single snap-in. Now the easiest way to do that is to use a view that we haven't used yet. Up to this point, we've just done single workflows, or we've had multiple workflows sort of loaded up here in our development environment. But we can add a view in called the solution view, which I'm doing right now, and we can open up a solution that I've already got. This is my VIX solution, and this solution sort of bundles together multiple workflows into a single logical unit, which we can then compile. So I can take a look at these workflows just by double-clicking on the workflow here in the solution view. I could right-click any one of these and build, or I can add new workflows, add existing workflows to this solution. All well and good, but the real advantage of this is that when I hit the snap-in button, all of these nouns and verbs are already populated for me. They're stored within as properties of the workflows within the solution. So that makes it much easier to build a PowerShell snap-in with multiple workflows and not have to worry about sort of managing that the nouns and verbs of each one of these workflows. So I'll go ahead and build this one so you can see that it builds. So right now it's again just-in-time compiling all the workflows that we've specified, and it will then wrap all those up into a single PowerShell snap-in, and we can then interact with that snap-in. So as soon as this is done compiling, you can see in the background what it's compiling. Revert to snapshot. The last one will be take snapshot. And bam, there it is. So now we can take a look at that snap-in we just created, and we see that it's got these commandlets that match up perfectly with what's in our solution. Not coincidentally. So we can make calls just like we did to the commandlet that we created. Let's do get current snapshot, which takes VMX path as a parameter. And there we go, currently on that particular snapshot. So we can create a single snap-in that we could then deliver elsewhere using PowerWF with multiple workflows that match up one-to-one to commandlets. And that's pretty powerful, and that's pretty cool. So please play around with the solution. Tell us what you like, what you don't like, what you'd like to see in there. But it's a pretty cool feature that we haven't gone over yet. So we're doing multiple workflows all at the same time and treating them as one big logical unit. So there you go. Thanks a lot. Keep the questions coming.